What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So once again, we are playing Beat the Sun Down. What do I mean by that? Because time changed, now we're trying to beat the sun. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing. So what are we going to be doing today? Well, I thought you'd never ask. We got some screws here. Ordered these off of eBay. Well, I won't say screws, I'll say bolts. Ordered these off eBay thinking that they were being shipped from eBay, but come to find out, these came all the way from China. And you can actually get these off of Alibaba. I probably should order some myself and use these and sell them. So what I needed was just one transmission bolt, but it's always good to have all because they will vibrate out. So what we're going to do with these transmission bolts is I got two of them that needs to be replaced. I think it's this one. It could be this one. It's one of these main bolts that can connect to the rear transmission mount. So we're going to try to do that really quick. We're going to get the Honda jacked up, and I'm going to get up under it and put this bolt in and be done with this nice and simple project. But we got to be quick. We got to be quick because the sun is going down. Now, as much as I just wanted to jump up under this car and get it done, it's going to always have to be safety first. And that took me a little time to do. Not that much time. And I don't know what I'm trying to say. Basically, what I'm trying to say is don't take no shortcuts. If you need to get up under your car, this is all the people that's just starting to work on it, and you know it's a lot quicker just to jack it up and get up under it. Put your jack stands up under it. It would be awful if that thing fell on you, especially these cars because they are low to the ground. And you also want to put a chuck up under the wheel, because that would be awful too. So now that I just went over that complete nonsense, not complete nonsense, let's get this bolt in here. Come on now, let's get it in here. No. Let's get it. No. All right, doing a lot of unnecessary talking. You know, I really want to get to the point to where I can just look at a boat and automatically know what size socket is going to be. Right now, there's no bueno. No bueno. I don't even know if it's metric. It's probably metric. Anyway, let me do that. Okay, so I have a small dilemma that I need to figure out ASAP. These are the bolts that go into the transmission. The problem is it's too long, so I don't know if it's supposed to be that long or what, but it doesn't stay flat with the brace. So I feel like I need to put like a dowel or something in there to tighten it up, because that's probably why I lost the other one. So I need to try to find that. Okay, I think I may have found a solution, because I am a solutionary. I'm a solutionary, and I am a country find a way to make it work type of person. Here's what I have in mind. I am taking this old battery terminal, cut up, broke, don't need it. We're going to use that as a washer. I also have two of them in case one is not enough. I'm thinking that's going to work and get it snug. Let's find out. So that worked like a charm. So let me show you what I did to get it to work. Well, not to get it to work, let me show you what I was talking about, because I never really showed you the boat. All right, you see that boat right there? That's what I did to fix it. And while I'm up under here, I noticed some oil leaks. What do you know? I need to pull this transmission out and reseal it. Just point blank. But for right now, I ain't fucking with it. Anyway, so bam, that fixed. I hope that don't come out. We got it torqued good enough. If it do, I got another one. It came with two. So that is fixed. Goodness gracious, I'm glad of that. There's another one up here I probably need to address as well. Right there. Let me do this one right there. Let me do that while I'm at it too. I think I have that bolt as well. I don't know where all these damn bolts go. That could be one reason for the leaks. Shit. Let me find that bolt so we can get that tightened up too. All right, got this light. So we got that all tightened up. Well, not tightened up. We still gotta let the car down, but we got both bolts in there. I don't know where they went, but we got them in there. Who knows? That could have been part of the oil leak that I was experiencing. It may not be, but either way, I can mark that off the list. And sometimes, no matter how big or small the task is at hand, it's moving you one step forward. And that's how I look at it, especially now since it gets dark so early and I only have like 30 to 45 minutes. Bottom line, all I'm saying is, no matter what it is you have to do, rather small or large, Just do it, even when you don't feel like it, because that's one less thing you got to do, and closer you're going to be to your goal. I don't care if it's a car, whatever it is you're trying to accomplish. But in this case, we talking about a 91 Honda Civic EF sedan. This your boy. Peace.